Farming money in Fisch, assuming you're referring to Genshin Impact and the character Fischl, involves a combination of efficient resource farming, exploring, and optimizing your gameplay. One of the most effective ways is to focus on daily commissions. These provide a steady source of Mora, the in-game currency, as well as additional rewards that can be sold or used for character upgrades. Additionally, participating in weekly bosses is highly profitable. These bosses drop valuable materials and artifacts, some of which can be sold for Mora. Look for high-tier bosses or world bosses, as they yield larger rewards and also contribute to Ascension materials for your character. Another strategy to farm domains. Another strategy is to farm domains and ley line outcrops. Domains are a great way to obtain valuable artifacts, which you can either use for your characters or sell for Mora. Ley line outcrops provide a sustainable amount of experience and a chance for resource drops.